Hi there, I'm Anja from Pinyon Time, and I'm so excited to do a quick unboxing video today because I got a box in the mail this week from one of my very favorite companies. Yes! Oh, I'm so excited. So Craftsy is one of my favorite companies. I've worked with them a little before and they've just been fantastic. Shout out to their awesome social media gal, Chelsea, who is just super great to work with. Anyhow, they asked me if I wanted to participate in another one of their knit-alongs, this time for the High Sierra Shawl, which oh my gosh, really gorgeous shawl. Guys, look up High Sierra Shawl or their hashtag shawlweknit, which I love because I am such a fan of puns. Good puns, bad puns, I love them all. Yes, okay, so gorgeous shawl. I haven't knit a shawl before, so I'm really excited to do this. I could really use this piece in my wardrobe. Also, it has some really interesting techniques that I haven't done before either, so I'm very excited to learn how to do this. And I have not seen this yarn yet. I'm really excited. There were so many really gorgeous yarn choices. Who else just takes like a ridiculously long time to decide on their yarn choices? I kind of wanted them all. Like I had at least 3 different ones. I was like, this is my favorite. No, this is my favorite. Okay, anyhow, so I chose like this beautiful blue combo and I'm really so excited to see it in real life. So, opening the box. Don't cut the yarn. Can you imagine? Okay. Oh, this is really pretty. I tend to really go with neutrals and I'm really trying to add some more color to my knitting projects and to my Instagram feed, and so stepped way outside of my box. And chose some beautiful blues. So, oh my gosh, this is gonna be really pretty. So here is, all right, so this is the base color, the main color. You get a big skein of one color, you like your base color. And then, oh, this is really pretty. Here is, oh, this pack of blues. So I chose the Pinyon Jay. Oh, it says made with love in Peru. That's really cool. So, okay, nice. 80% superwash merino wool, 20% polymide. Honestly, I'm not sure what polymide is. Some sort of artificial fiber. I'm really a huge fan of superwash wool though. Oh my gosh, it's so nice for anything that you're gonna be wearing. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And I really wanted to go with something different also, with something that had like really distinct color changes. I mean, obviously these are not like too crazy different, but like there's some significant differences there. Oh, look how pretty these are. Wow. This is gonna be fun. But I really wanted to, I feel like you use different colors for each of the different chunks, like different sections in the shawl. And so I thought it would be nice to have something that had some noticeable differences. That way it would be kind of exciting, like to move on to, like have a little extra motivation to move on to the next chunk of the shawl. Because I don't know, there's just something about like switching up and getting to start using a different color that just feels super exciting. So, oh my gosh. So yeah, what do you think? Fan of the color choice? I think it's gonna be really pretty. I do tend to wear a lot of neutrals and then a lot of like blues, and especially like a lot of brilliant blues. I have a sweater that's almost this exact color. Anyhow, so yeah, I'm super excited. So there is definitely still time to join the knit along from what I understand. And come join me and learn new knitting techniques with me. Yeah, this is gonna be really fun. So be prepared for a little bit of like blue shawl spam on my Instagram. I'm super excited to start knitting with these. Yeah, anyhow, thanks so much, Craftsy. I'm super excited to start on this project, and yeah. Oh, also I mentioned these are like really squishy. Really squishy. Yeah, so that's it for this quick unboxing. And yeah, check my Instagram for project updates. I'll see you over there.